Hello. I'm after getting a couple of questions regarding starting your program and things like that. So I'm going to just go through some stuff that are common mistakes that I've been asked in the last week or so, just on the chats and stuff. So here I have my Project Explorer. If you cannot see your Project Explorer, then go to in Eclipse. There's a view, and you can see different things within it. So if I just go here, window, show view, and then I can show my Project Explorer there. So as you can see, it comes up here. Now once you create a new project, so file, new Java project, then all you need to do is right click on that project once it's made. You don't need to have it the same name as your Java file, and then select new and class. Now this is where you do have to have your class name the same as your file name. That's one mistake that I came across in a few chats. So I click on the public static void main. It auto generates it for me. So it's a public class and it's called Hello World. And you can see here, Hello World is actually matching hello world.java matches the name of the class, Hello World. Here I have public static void main. They're all in lowercase. This is in a different color to this because it's a method. This string is another mistake that I've come across quite often, and it's a capital S for string because it's a reference type. And there are two different data types in Java, two of the main ones. There is a primitive type and a reference type. And the reason why it's a reference type is because it's a class in Java, so it references an object. That object has methods. You can do a lot with string. So if I click on string, if I write string and click dot, you can see that there's so many things you can actually do with that. If I have int, I can't really do anything. If I have byte also, or char, I can't, there's no list to go with it. So I actually had also a list of things that you can look up online. So in the Oracle website, you can actually see that string comes from the java.lang package. A package is a group of classes. A lot of the time you can have a package written up here as part of where the class sits in. Every class inherits from object, so that's why you can use different things within a class. So we'll come to that obviously later, but this is just the basics for now. So this was the program that I had done earlier. I'm just going to copy it. You cannot nest classes, and you cannot nest different methods. So if I just take out all of this, I'm going to leave in the comments because this is a simple program. Usually the comments start at the top, and you have what's called here you have this, we'll come to that in a minute. We have different ways to comment in the code. We have this type of way, which is a slash and a star, and then a star and a slash to end it. And we also have, or to delimit it, you can say. And we also have 2 forward slashes, which is just a single line. And now within this, let's clean up the spacing. Within this, when I press play, it will appear on the console as Hello World. And there's your program. So the most important things are the Java file has to match here, hello world.java. It's written exactly the same with capitalization, that it is case sensitive within Java, so it will think that it's a completely different word if you use hello with a lowercase w, and here you have hello world with a capital W as well. Here we have public static void main, all in lowercase except for string, because that's a reference type. And when you click on string, you can see it's from the java.lang package, which we do not need to bring into this program. It's already there, we're already using it, and it represents character strings. So you can see here, it gives you loads of examples. So if you play around with that first, that's the most important thing. I think one of the key things within Java and also C#, I've been asked questions about C# as well. They're not called the same thing, but they are two different data types. It's similar because they're both object-oriented languages. Their value and, I can't remember the other one. But anyway, their value types, which is the equivalent to primitive types, and reference types is the equivalent to, anyway, we'll come to it later when I do more C# stuff. So system.out.println then and hello world. And that's it for the questions round for a basic hello world program. Please like the video if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and also I'll link it to the previous video that I did at the very beginning. Okay, thanks for watching.